What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, you can see right over my shoulder there, we've got the LTD on the left. Now, we got some really epic comments, especially on Instagram, but pretty much everywhere, about the Project LTD. But actually, we need to let that down so we can, yeah.
Put it down.
Guys, I'm gonna have to go in if maybe you could identify yourself or something. But in the comments, I was asking, you know, what we should name the car, and we had one. Dover and I kind of talked about it, and I think we're gonna roll with it. All right, that should be down far enough. But the new name for our incredibly what'd that guy say on Instagram? It was unglamorous.
Yeah, unglamorous.
The unglamorous. For our totally unglamorous build is Lieutenant Dan.
I told you if you were ever a shrimp boat captain that I'd be your first mate. Well, here I am. I am a man of my word.
Okay.
Yeah, but don't you be thinking that I'm going to be calling you sir.
No, sir.
LTD and Lieutenant Dan. So that is the project, guys. A little rough around the edges, and like a lot of people said, totally unglamorous, but you got to have faith in us, guys. We're working hard for you, you know. So that is the name of the new project. Right now, as you can clearly see, we've got it on the lift, and we've been kind of poking around. Everything's real solid on it. Found a few little minor dents and stuff like that, but you know, overall it's just your average everyday, somewhat yeah,
A little rusty, but
a little surface rust, but she's solid. But guys, if you're under here, you really can't tell the difference between a Mustang and an LTD or a Fairmont or a Cougar or anything else. But we're almost sure this is a C4, maybe a C3. I don't know. We're not sure, but it looks like a C4.
it's gone.
Yeah, it's all coming out, guys. That's what we're about to do. We're about to gut this thing. Well, the rear end's gonna stay in for the time being, but
Maybe.
yeah. Well, yeah, we could just grenade it. I mean, before we scrap it. True. Yeah, definitely needs 5-lug-8.8. But yeah, guys, that is the what. We're gonna get all the fluids out. We're gonna yank all this out. Then we can do some more cleaning. So that's the what. Let's roll with it.
A little different location
Yeah. All right.
there. So you get them from the top.
Everything's drained, motor mount nuts off. And then it looked like at some point they were already starting to pull the trans. All the nuts is off of on the cross member. So yeah.
Gonna put the C4 in it, transmission lines off work, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
Just reuse them stock lines. Cool. We're about to get to yanking here. All right, guys, we just about got everything unhooked. It's kind of odd looking at this thing, like the coolant temperature sensors and the there's the TFI module right there. I mean, it's like somewhat similar, but and then we're looking at the throttle body injection. You can see that's a green top injector. I'm almost positive that's 42 pound. We were running the numbers earlier, and it's
Possible, huh?
that's probably, those are probably two 42-pound injectors in there. Yeah.
Two of those would be about half of
a
820s.
yeah. Boom, but yeah, like we're
Hook it to something, yank it out, huh?
yeah, we're about to yank this thing out. It's nasty, but we're making progress.
You take this bolt out right here.
Yeah. I couldn't get the TFI back off. Oh, Lord. Talk about a nasty job. But she is out, boys. And is anybody 3.8 V6 auto trans free to a good home? No, I'm just kidding. Going to the scrap yard. But yeah, boys, she's free. So we'll clean up our mess here and load this in the back of the truck to go to scrap. And we can push this thing back out and clean some more on it. And yeah, heck of a good day so far. Yeah, it's getting heavy. Luckily I worked out, right?
Yeah. See if I can tilt this up. I know that's kind of heavy, but I figured it looked good. Don't get it. What's going on with you? You push in?
Let's get inside. Woo! I like where up against this exhaust too.
Take the damn truck up. See the bolt or something. I don't know. We ain't never had it not work.
All right, time for cleaning round 2.
2.0.
Got the engine trans gone. Yeah. All right. Push her out.
Inside,
yeah, we gotta clean the inside too. That's gonna be. I hadn't even looked in the back seat. Yeah, hit it with the.
I think I popped the seat out, make sure it wasn't nothing.
Yeah.
Rat's nest under nothing. It wasn't bad.
Hit it with the shop vac and.
Yeah. Door's getting tight.
Yeah. All right. Push this dude out. All right, boys. That was a exciting day. Got all that knocked out. Again, guys, we're looking at a couple different options as far as the LTD. But the main thing is got the engine out and get to more cleaning on it and kind of put a game plan together. And yes, probably within the next week or so, we're gonna fire. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna fire. I've got to download the tune and send it over to Daryl. We got to grab some E85, which the station is really close to my house. I'll probably just bring it with me. And we'll fire this dude off. We didn't really want to start it just because it's got 1650s in it without a tune. Just to be on the safe side. You know, it's a brand new engine. Always err on the side of caution. So that's what we're gonna do. But we picked up the charge pipe from Steve's Fab Shop, so we're gonna put the get the vacuum or the boost line in there, and that will be about it. I didn't show you guys. If I can get this, there it is. Got all the CO2 run and the solenoids looking good. Seat in. Lots of wiring. How about all this wiring though?
Yeah.
It's yeah.
It's growing too.
Yeah.
Gonna do trans brake.
Yeah, trans brake, boost leash, the well, that's kind of in the boost leash itself. But then you got the control pack and the cluster and the 2-step, and there's a lot. Definitely a lot. So, but anyway, guys, stay tuned. We will have the first fire of Boomer's hot rod coming very soon, and of course, Ford takeover, guys. we're getting close. We're getting close. If you don't have your room yet, I don't know what to tell you. Get on the phone right now. Get on Trivago or hotels.com. Get you a hotel room in Jackson, Tennessee for May 7th and 8th. It's going to be awesome. And if you see the bags under my eyes, it's because I'm trying to make sure everything's perfect for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And keep it tuned right here for more of Lieutenant Dan. Later, guys.